ngumiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Kasama namin sina Kuya Chito, si Ate Ang, Marfori. Okay lang Kuya Chito, ilalagay ko kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Say hi! No problem daw. Sila, yan ang brother ni Kuya Chito, Doji, Kuya Doji. Yan si Ate Berry. Pumapayag na sa aking sa loob ng aking YouTube channel.
Ninong Rai
Yeah, from Philippines. Ninong Rai, hindi.
Kay Kuya Kurt.
Oh, Kuya Kurt. Video yan. Sa left, Kuya Chito. Left. Ayan, no?
Sa LA. Malayo. Maganda yung kuya. Malayo.
Hindi ba malamig? Oh, 50th. Si Coco Martin ba? Oh, yun talaga naman. There's the Buffalo Nations Luxton Museum. Grabe na traffic dito. Dumating kami mga 9:30, right? Puno na yung parking, free parking doon. Wala na, puno na.
Alin?
Right? Yung ating parkingan doon.
Oo, dapat hindi tayo umalis doon.
Pero 9 hours pwede ka mag-park dyan.
Ah, talaga?
Yes. Yan sila. Naggagawa ako ng joke, huwag ka ma-open ba?
Nakalit. Joke.
Oo. So ganito. Kaya I emphasize na mag-travel kayo at an early age. Yes, ganyan mangyayari sa inyo. Oh. Yan.
Sayas ako, may nunod
Layas. Wala na. Wala si Ate Ann. Easy. Bukas naman. May ginagawa lang sila doon sa harap.
Sumunod dito. Saan kayo na?
Ayun yung washroom.
Yun po washroom doon.
Washroom break tayo.
Hirap na nung pataas, Kuya Chito. Medyo may addition kasi pataas. Ha? It's June 11. Hindi pa summer kaya kaunti pa lang ang flowers. Oh. Tsaka nag-ano sila, may construction, nag-aayos-ayos. Pero they are here. Where did they go? Oh, nagkamali siya. Ay, doon tinuturo ko yung washroom. Oh, look at that. Ang daming dandelions, so. See the construction right there. Yeah, it's construction everywhere. It's a kalsada, in the highways, in the street, everywhere. Kuya Chito, ano masasabi mo sa bump?
Talagang bump na bump.
Bump na bump, ano?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Ano,
Yeah.
ang ganda, no?
Yes.
Atuhan ninyo to sa winter. Sometimes in winter, para maganda.
Pero we're very grateful
Yes.
that Kaloy, Arlene, and Anna is here with us, visiting and as well as guiding us along the way. Thank you. Thank
You're
you
welcome.
so much. Yeah.
Anytime, sir. Si Kuya. Very good.
Oo, picture kayo. Ganda.
Kaya Kuya Chito, dumadami na ang mga tourist.
Oh, magpakuha tayo.
Diba dito maganda ang view, oh. Maganda.
Marami silang sinisito. Siguro maganda dito. June 11.
Yes, June 11. Kasama namin from British Columbia. Yung dalawa umiikot dun sa taas. So this is tourism. Mount Tourism. Medyo hazy kasi may forest fire. Nagdadatingan ang mga tourist. Wala na. Sampas lang.
Everyday, sabi nyo nagtutulak sa akin sa airport, 75,000 daw ang naglalang everyday.
Oh, ganun.
Sabi ko, what? Pero come on.
May public market ngayon.
Yep.
It's nice.
Are great for dry skin. Also aches and pains. You can take neck pain away in 10 minutes.
Dito.
Yeah, rub it. I gave you enough to put on your neck
Yes,
there.
wow. Nice. Oh, Commander, ano nakikita mo? May nakikita ka? Yeah.
Ice cream
Oh, looks good. Wow. Cookies Pandico. Oh, may atsara. May atsara, you know? May atsara siya. Oh. Yan nilang produce. 5 for $25. Oh. Oh. Look, it's nice. Yeah, naghahanap sila ng bench. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta sa public market, farmers market ng Bao. Sarap. Masarap yun ah. Look at the woodcraft there. Ah, may empanada. That smells good. Empanada. Ito pa. May dumplings din. Fried dumplings.
Gusto ko tuloy ipahid din sa akin yung namamadang ang ito, binigyan na ka ng cream.
Oh, may Korean din. Korean food. Farm, from the farm. Oh, there's a rhubarb too. Look, tingnan natin kung magkano yung rhubarb. We have a plant there sa, ano, sa bahay. And look at the rhubarb. Fresh produce. Ang galing, ano? Dami. 1 for $5. $5 na isang, ano.
Parang yellow.
Nice pear. Mix and match. Sparkling fruit pala to. Look at the berries. Oh, nice. Hindi na. Apple. Yeah, lunchtime oh.
Yeah, bro.
Naghahanap ako ng adobo, wala.
Walang adobo. Kahapon.
Kahapon. Yun.
Pero ito masarap. Masarap.
Pico.
Family picnic. This is Hello Labagan Part 3.
Ay, that's it. Parang ganito ngayon.
Yung ganyan.
Ayan! Ayan! Ayusin natin.
Nice eh. May ayusan pa.
Parang hindi sinutulak.
Oo. Yung mga sound
Malapit
eh.
na konti. Mas malapit na konti. Ano ba yan? Magkakalikan na
Yeah, hello, love again, part 4. Yan. Yan.
Hindi galit.
I love you, baby. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda naman.
Ayan.
Para mga side view. Oh, ay, talaga.
Pwede na i-flip yun eh.
Nasaan yung camera? Pwede yung camera.
Camera mo
Ate, para hindi na ano yan. Hello, love again, part 4.
Part 4 ba yan?
Action!
Guys, brother! Action!
Yun! Yun! Palakpakan po kayo dyan! Imbitado ka. Imbitado rin kami ah. Ayan. Mander, sinong kadate mo? Nasaan?
Wala.
Nakakadate? Just a little hike. Few steps. Yan sila. Naiiwan na yung dalawa doon. Tatlo pala naiiwan. Sige din. We're going to check the Fairmont. Right there. Yeah, 1,000 lang yan. Dito na kami sa Kevin Basin. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, sa aking ano. Hindi ka sasama?
Kasi hindi tayo kasya. 5 lang pwede mong
Ganun ba?
5 yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kami.
Water to make it a bit deeper. So today we're gonna head in there. There's not gonna be all that much interpretation. It's more gonna be just an experience to see the.
It's so dark. Watch your head.
Nakaano, parang tuloy. Tuloy ka,
So what, sir? I'll put it as a suggestion. Dad.
Oh, nauna na sila. Nababahuan niya. Let's go over her. Makabahan to.
Meron pa sa labas dito.
And so in the fall, they're walking around here, and there's also steam rising from the vent hole. Because at this time,
That's
the
the first
hotels that
hotel
were
in
springing
Banff.
up in Banff looked like this. So quite a lot nicer. It was very
These are the
wealthy.
first bathing
Visitors
suit.
from Europe, from even just East Coast. The pool was, so these break outlines. We had a smaller one that was the later pool, but the original pool was the single black brick outline all over there. It opened in 1914. It's the biggest swimming pool in Canada at the time. Pretty steep. We've got some other photos. You can see the angle, and they were made out of wood.
There was a pool here before.
So they didn't last very long.
Right here.
They're taken down.
Around there.
And then the last difference I'll point out is that today.
It's not smoking.
Now we've made it to our last stop, to the basin. And so the water around here is, in our basin, is different than a lot of the waters that you might find around Banff. For one, it's warm. So I don't know if you guys have touched the Bull River or any alpine lakes. All the water around here is very cold. So this water, on the other hand, comes from ancient volcanoes. We don't have magma underground. Our water is not heated because of that. It's really just heated because it goes underground very deep. So the rock in this
That's the water.
use.
You'll get
And
younger.
that's the end of our tour. So me and my colleagues will be here for a while now.
So it's just these tiny little dots you can see here. There are snails. So they don't get too much bigger than this guy. Most of them are pretty tiny.
Those are snails.
Yeah, there are snails. They don't really look much like a snail, but if you zoom into them, you'll be able to see that they actually do have a bit of a spiral to their shell and two little tentacles on the top of their head.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
You won't be able to do the full loop, but you can do the.
You learn some history here sa loob. Oh, this is a Volkswagen eh. Volkswagen. Tamo. Dati nga dun sa harapan ng ano.
Yung compartment.
Apartment.
Hindi yung...
Tanong ko sa iyo, nakapag-drive ka na ng Volkswagen na ganyan? Nakapag-drive ka na, kuya? Ganyan. Nakapag-drive ka na ganyan?
Yan ganyan, no?
Ganyan. Yan. Sa atin. Ano yung working horse? Clydesdale. Kabila dapat sila lumabas. Okay, sa kabila. Yes. So we'll see you downstairs. Hindi. Puro exit kasi dito. Hindi na sila pwedeng pumasok o bumalik. There's no elevator. Elevator is down there. Ayan ang hoodoo. Who do you like? Yan sa nakita. Yan yung ano, Fairmont. Yan. Hindi kita. Yan lang. Hoodoo. Ayun siya.
Nandiyan na ho lahat, pati mga
Ayun siya. Video kayo. Yes.
43, ang dami.
Ha? 43?
Kadami, no?
Oo. Yung nga lang sayang, yun, Fairmont. Kita sana. It's so smoky because of the fire.
Sayang naman.
Sayang.
fire bago umalis.
First time yung makikita sa aking channel, I'm holding a bag. Ganda ng bag mo, ate, ano?
First time daw makikita sa channel niya.
Sa channel niya, holding a bag. Ano.
Mukhang nagladlad ka na yung ayos na yan.
Lake Minnewanka. Malamig ano?
Ano, di ba yun yung ano, yun yung ano ng doktor
Malamig ang hangin, no? Simoy ng hangin.
Oo, na remedy.
Yeah.
Di ba marami na allergy
Ang jacket, malamig daw. Malamig na.
ano, sa nut.
Malamig na nga. And there's a tour. Boat tour. Again, it's so hazy. Naglakad kami dyan nung winter. Doon sa middle. We're at Wild Orchids after a long day. Yan sila, mga kasama ko. Yan ang aming manager ngayon. Yun, manager namin. Yan. Yan soup. Some, it looks like curry. Huh? Ito curry. Kitang-kita mo curry. Yan.
Very dusty. Siyempre, hindi naman na ano, marami pupunta na eh.
Kuya Chito, thank you sa dinner.
Yo, most welcome.
Yes.
Sa
Thank you for the day. Yes, sila.
Alam mo, pagbalik niya sa Canada, binabiopsy yung brain niya.
That's it for today.
Wrap up.
we're wrapping up. So susunod lang. Till next time, bye-bye!